Hi, this is Chris from B&W Control Systems Integration with a very short video on how the Panasonic Toughbook CF-30 hard drive is encased inside the laptop. You can see there's the CF-30 itself, and the drive door on the side is already opened. I've actually opened it by clicking this little lever to the side here, which unlocks it, and then you'll slide this up. That comes down and the whole caddy comes out. And I've already disassembled it, but I thought it'd be helpful if you can see all the different parts taken apart. So you can see Panasonic uses sort of a proprietary connector here to slide that drive into the bay. That's the lid of the unit, which comes off with 3 screws, one on the front and 2 on the back. And then there's this large foam piece here with some copper on it, and there's another piece on the inside. And this keeps the hard drive warm. In case it's in inclement weather. You can see it's kind of wrapped tightly around there. So this little piece is kept on with a piece of tape on the side, and that foam box goes around it. What I would recommend when you're taking out the hard drive is take a few pictures, just like I did. In fact, you can see it up there on my laptop. Pictures of the drive as you're uninstalling it, so you can figure out. It's kind of like a puzzle putting this thing back together. But this little case is held on with a bunch of little sticky pads that essentially, if you just peel back real carefully on the white plastic part. The tricky one for me was this one on the end, the black one that just had the end peeled over. But when you assemble it right, that little ribbon cable will come out right in the middle. It's almost, you can see it's notched there for the drive to come out. So we'll show you what it looks like with the drive assembled in just a second. And there you can see the drive nicely snugged inside of the drive caddy there. It all sits nice and square in there. The foam pads do stick out the top there, but then you can see then there's the connector on the end. So this cap goes on the drive just like that. We'll screw in the couple of the 3 screws, and then we'll slide it back into the device. You can see the drive fully assembled with the 2 longer black screws on the same side as the connector, and the 1 shorter silver screw connected to the back. And you can see now you have a nice square little compartment, and that very nicely sits inside of the actual bay of the computer there. So that concludes the video of disassembling a Panasonic Toughbook CF-30 hard drive for replacement. This has been Chris Cisnowski from B&W Control Systems Integration.